Do washable labels stand up to the heat of a tumble dryer? Find out how K2's washable labels fare in the wash and tumble dryer. First, we place the labeled clothing into a tumble washer for cleaning. This is to test whether the washable label will fall off during washing. After washing, we can see that the label remains intact. We then place the washed garments into a dryer for high-temperature drying. High temperatures combined with continuous tumbling pose a severe challenge to the labels. Clothes just taken out of the dryer? As you can see, the label remains firmly attached. The edges have not curled, nor has it bubbled,